Hello, dear friends. Good morning. Such a beautiful, beautiful morning. Ah, this is so beautiful. And I just arrived in Portland. So we arrived last night. We went to a fun restaurant, Kennedy School, and this morning I woke up quite late. So it's around 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, something. I walk around the streets, and I was thinking of going to downtown. But as I was driving, I found the road quite beautiful. So I just kept on and end up in this very unique district or street, and it's called Division Street. If you are in Portland, maybe you know this place, but for me, it's so unique, and there are a lot of coffee shops. Such a short street, relatively not too short, such a short distance, there are 3, 4, or even more coffee shops. And there is a beautiful paper store. I forgot the paper store's name. Oh, what a pity. But this is a very unique paper store with pencils, pens, and beautiful papers, books. It's just so inspiring. And every time I go travel, I like to see these beautiful things. And it brings a lot of ideas, right? Sometimes you have this artist block, or just cannot find idea, cannot find inspiration, and going to a new place really open up your mind. And there is a hardware store, and there are a lot of antique shops, recycled shops, and this one I think it's called All the Good Stuff. I think it's All the Good Stuff or something. And the guy greeted me. How can I help you? I was, I just blocked. What do I say? I just passed by. Every time when I go to a store, go to some shop, and when people very friendly greeting me, hello, how can I help you? I I was very stressed out. I just want to have a walk, and said, okay, you have a walk. And he's very nice. He's a very, very friendly, nice people, and trying to help me. But I was just in the mood of wandering around. And outside there are, oh, look at these snakes. I think this is an artist gallery, and this artist makes a lot of ceramic and stoneware. Oh, Cuckoo, my Cuckoo is here. There is a cat, lost and found, a notice. Anyway, it feels very, very neighborly. And the restaurants are, I didn't go to any restaurant to begin with, and just seeing through the window. And it's in Portland, relatively in the colder zone than California. So you can feel that the house architecture, the house design usually looks much more solid and Masonic work, brickworks. And what else do I feel? I feel this time, this place has been established for I do not know how many years. It feels like my time older than our city's starting point. I mean, the redevelopment point. Seems like after World War II, I do not know the history about this place. Just guessing from the people, from the house style, something like 1950s, 60s, and trees, cherry blossom, all these beautiful trees. It's very unique, very beautiful. And I always say, when you go to a city, you feel the spirit of the city. And I didn't go to some big place, 10 place to go to visit Portland, 20 must go. I didn't go anywhere of this yet. I was thinking I am on vacation, just walk along the streets and get a feeling of the life there. And I do kind of get a spirit, a little bit of the spirit of this place. It's I really enjoy. I really enjoy. I am not saying that I am part of it. No, not yet. I appreciate the people, the life there, and they are kind, generous, and unique, very unique, very unique. And it's really fun. I always say, and in the evening we came here, and we came in this area, have had a dinner, and on our way coming out, we met with a neighbor, and he was wearing a shirt that is Division hardware store, so which is one hardware store in this street. And I said, did you work there? It's such a beautiful shop. It's a fun shop. He said, yes, I love working there. And they have something like 30,000 screws in that store. Oh my goodness. Anyway, you meet with people, you chat with people who are passionate and who are just proud of their life and happy with their life and live their life. And that is very, very heartwarming, connecting, let's say, connecting. I feel however people are different, however places are different, I feel I come to another country, come to a very different place, so unique, so curious, so exotic. But when you start to talk to people, and you will find the humanity is connecting us, and it's very, 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 that feeling of belonging, because you can feel another life and you can appreciate something that is universal, the love of life, the the human heart. Anyway, I enjoy it. I enjoy it very much. Thank you very, very much. I love you. I really do. Do, 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 do. Do, do, do. Goodbye. Bye.